Hello, this is Mako Ikeda. Yes. This time, I'll be showing you what I bought at 3COINS. I'll be introducing new storage items, kitchen goods, and cleaning supplies. Also, there are some really innovative items, so please use this as a reference before you go shopping. By the way, what do you usually eat for breakfast? First, let me introduce something that has finally appeared at 3COINS. Here it is. A set of 20 disposable refills. This is a 300 yen product. A little while ago, Syria released a disposable type of pouch that became super popular, and now 3COINS has come out with one as well. Yes, here is the product. The one from 3COINS has a slightly slimmer shape. Capacity matches Syria's at 10 ml, and this one has a checkbox where you can write down the contents, so you can see at a glance what you put inside just by checking it. The design is really stylish too, isn't it? When you use it, just cut along the dotted line at the top, and it becomes a zip bag. You just pour the liquid in from here, and then simply close the zipper. When you use it, you cut from the opposite side, and after using it, you can just throw it away and go home. In a question from quite a while ago, there were people who travel every month or a few times a year. Because of people like that, using disposable items in these situations reduces return luggage and is very convenient. Yes, next we have a groundbreaking item. Here it is. This is a microwave half-hot sandwich maker. This sells for 2,750 yen. Yes, inside you'll find the main unit, instruction manual, and a recipe collection. Yes, this is a hot maker that can be used in the microwave, and the size is actually more compact than I expected. It's really easy to store, but it does have some weight to it, so please be careful when handling it. The sides are made of silicone, and you can open it from the front here. When you open it, yes, you place a slice of bread here and then just add your fillings. Just close the lid from before. It's a product that lets you make a hot sandwich just by microwaving it. When you think of a hot sandwich maker, you probably imagine something that clamps down like this and cooks on a stove like a frying pan. But with this one, you don't need to watch the heat at all. You can make it quickly in the microwave, so I think it's great for saving time in the morning. 3COINS sells a variety of microwave cooking tools like this, and I actually introduced one before that lets you grill fish. That one also gave a nice char even though it was cooked in the microwave, and it was really delicious. So I'm looking forward to using this one too, wondering if it will also give a nice char on the surface. When I picture a hot sandwich maker, I expect to use 2 slices of bread, but this one only needs 1. Making it easier to control the bread amount. I really like that feature. It seems like it would be great for making a quick snack too. I've been eating banana yogurt for breakfast for about 6 or 7 years now. Sometimes I eat something different, but it's almost always that. So I'm curious, what do you all usually eat for breakfast? Please let me know in the comments. I really don't have much variety. I don't want to think about it in the morning, so it's always banana yogurt for me. This looks like this, and you can also remove it. With removable top and bottom, cleaning is easy. Yes, like this. Each one cooks in about 3 or 4 minutes according to the recipe. Yes, plus it has bottom protrusions so you can stand it upright, which I really like. Alright, next. This is a kitchen towel hanger, and this one is a 300 yen item. The main body is a simple silver towel hanger. And if you look closely, you'll see it's actually two-tiered like this. It's designed so you can hang 2 towels of different sizes. Being able to hang 2 towels like this is something we surprisingly haven't seen before. And it's the type you can just hook onto the door. So you can hang a large towel and a dishcloth like this. You can store them neatly in a small space. Okay, next is this, the Extendable Gap Dust Mop. This one is a 500 yen item. Since it's the season for major cleaning, 3COINS is selling several cleaning items, and among them, I decided to try buying this one. Yes, inside you'll find a sturdy, large mop, and this extendable handle. You can easily use it just by setting these together. Oh, wow, it's long and sturdy, extending from 109 cm to 153 cm, so it extends to about the height of a person, right? You extend it from here. Wow, it really stretches out. With this length, it seems like you could even reach the ceiling. Actually, wait, even while sitting, I can reach the ceiling. Even with high ceilings, this should make cleaning easier. I think it's long enough to reach places like the top of the air conditioner. With this length, I feel like you could easily dust around light fixtures too. And the mop part is thin in shape. You can use it to clean under the refrigerator or between pieces of furniture. And in those kinds of narrow spaces, it seems like this would make it easy to remove dust, even from places that are usually hard to reach. You can also take off the mop part, wash it, and use it again and again. So you can just take it off like this? Yes, you can wash this and use it repeatedly. The rubber part is also sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it coming off while you're cleaning. And after you're done cleaning, here's what you do. Since there's a hole, you can hang it on a hook to store it. Yes, there are 2 more. This is an all-direction spray. This one is a 300 yen product and holds 300 ml. There was also an even larger type available. And this spray bottle can be used even when turned upside down. So you can use it upside down for places like the rim of the toilet or the bathroom ceiling, which makes it really convenient since you don't have to worry about the angle. Also, it's very plain and simple, so I think it will blend in easily with any room. And the rounded corners on this shape are kind of cute, aren't they? And if you're going to put disinfectant alcohol in here, please make sure it's less than 80%. Also, sodium hypochlorite solution is sensitive to ultraviolet light, so if you're going to put it in this container, please store it in a cool, dark place. You can adjust the on and off by turning this part here, and yes, you can also refill it by opening the mouth like this. Okay, and finally here it is. I bought a clamp-style drink holder. This one costs 800 yen. So this one has a part like this that connects to the drink holder. And after you set this on your desk, you can attach the drink holder by hooking it on. You can adjust this part to fit the width of your desk. And since the drink holder part isn't connected here, I think it can handle slight changes in size. With this, you can set it on the outside of your table, so it helps prevent accidentally knocking over your drink when you bump your hand. If you do desk work, you can keep your drink nearby while working on different tasks. Some people might have documents or a computer out while they work, but it's scary if you accidentally knock over your drink, isn't it? But with this, you can securely attach it to your desk and place your cup, so you can use your desk space more efficiently and worry less about it tipping over. It holds about 1 kilogram, so if you secure it well, you don't need to worry about it falling. I just tried attaching it to my desk, and as expected, since it can hold up to 1 kilogram, it's fixed pretty securely. If you apply a lot of force and hit it hard, there's a chance it might come off from the impact. But if you just bump into it a little, it won't move at all. This seems really easy to use. I use things like this while filming, including right now, and keep them around my desk. With so many boxes and products around, I often worry drinks will get knocked over. At times like that, having this makes me feel like I can work with peace of mind. The size is also a bit slim. You could even add a pen holder. If interested, check it out. This time, I showed what I bought from 3COINS. If there are any items that caught your eye, please be sure to check them out. But some items might sell out quickly, so from the online store, you can set up restock notifications or check which stores still have them in stock. So I think it's good to check those things together as well. So thank you very much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please support me by subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. Well then, this was Mako Ikeda. Bye-bye.